The Dukan diet is a high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet designed by Dr. Pierre Dukan. It is structured into 4 distinct phases, each with its specific focus and guidelines. The first phase, known as the attack phase, is characterized by a drastic reduction in carbohydrate intake and a focus on high-protein foods. This phase typically lasts from 2 to 7 days and aims to kickstart rapid weight loss. Foods allowed in this phase include lean meats, fish, eggs, and fat-free dairy products. The second phase, the cruise phase, introduces non-starchy vegetables into the diet. This phase alternates between pure protein days and protein vegetable days. The goal is to reach the target weight gradually. It can last for several months, depending on the amount of weight to be lost. Commonly allowed vegetables include spinach, broccoli, and lettuce. Once the target weight is achieved, the diet transitions to the consolidation phase. This phase aims to prevent the rebound effect, allowing the body to adjust to the new weight. During this period, carbohydrate intake remains limited but is slowly reintroduced with certain allowances like whole grain bread, fruit, and cheese. This phase also emphasizes having a celebration meal once a week, where dieters can indulge in their favorite foods. Finally, the stabilization phase is meant to maintain the weight loss for life. It reaffirms the principles learned during the previous phases, but allows for more flexibility. This phase includes lifelong commitments, such as consuming 3 tablespoons of oat bran per day and having 1 pure protein day weekly. Regular exercise and drinking plenty of water are also crucial components of the Dukan diet. While the Dukan diet has been praised for its rapid weight loss results, it has also faced criticism regarding its sustainability and the potential for nutritional deficiencies. Therefore, it is important for anyone considering this diet to consult with a healthcare professional.